Namaste, Sasakal, Adab. This is your Punjabi chef Prateek and I'm back with another tikka recipe in which I'm doing a combination of coconut and mint. And I call it Nariyal Pudina ka Murgh tikka. So let's start cooking. To start with the recipe, we'll go with the first stage. In that, I've taken diced chicken. I'm going to add red chili powder, turmeric powder. Next, I'm going to add salt for tasting, black pepper powder, and lemon juice. Now mix the marination in the chicken. After massaging the chicken nicely in the marination, I'm going to let the chicken rest in the marination for a while, and by that time, I'm going to finish the second stage of the marination. So the second stage of marination, I'm going to take a pan, switch on the gas, add oil. As the oil starts heating up, I'm going to add few cloves of garlic. With that, sliced ginger and saute it for few minutes. As the color of ginger garlic starts changing, I'm going to add sliced green chilli and saute it for few minutes. And next, I'm going to add diced coconuts. After cooking coconut for a while, I'm going to add roughly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Saute it for a while. And once the coriander and mint start losing their sizes, we need to switch off the gas and let the masala cool. The mint and coconut masala has cooled down. Now I'm going to transfer it into a blending jar. I will also add little water. This will give me the desired consistency which is required. This is the desired consistency required for the paste. Now I'll transfer it into a bowl. Now that the coconut and mint paste is ready, I'll move into the second part of the marination, in which I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of curd. I'm going to start with the masalas. First, I'm going to add coriander powder, yellow chili powder, cumin powder, and garam masala, and salt. 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, and next 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour. Now let's start mixing the masala properly. The second stage of marination is ready. I'm going to divide the marination into 2 parts, half for the chicken and rest I'm going to put it in the vegetables. Let's start mixing the marination with the chicken. After finishing the chicken, follow the same for the vegetables. Now that our chicken and the vegetables are properly marinated, now it's time to put them on the skewers. Put a vegetable. With that, followed by a chicken piece. Again a vegetable, followed by another piece of chicken, and we'll follow the same procedure to finish off the skewer. Now that our last skewer is done, we'll start grilling the tikka. For that, I'm going to take a pan, switch on the gas, add oil. As the oil starts heating up, I'm going to start placing the skewers. Keep rotating the skewers on regular interval so that they get evenly cooked on all sides. The tikkas are almost ready, but I will keep on basting the chicken so that the chicken doesn't get dry. I'm gonna sprinkle some lemon juice on top. With that, garnish with some chaat masala. And now we start plating. And there you go guys, our Nariyal Pudina ka Murg Tikka is now ready. Do try making this at home and do let me know how it turned out. But before you go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried.